It's been a tough season for Baylor football, but good news for Bear fans. Baylor Hoops has been putting on an absolute show. The men now prepping for their trip to Brooklyn after a much-needed week off from play. Just 4 games into the season, it's been a freshman frenzy, with Jacoby Walter, Miro Little, and Yves Missi all establishing their dominance on the hardwood. Walter, the first freshman in program history to be named the Big 12 Player of the Week, and while his partner in crime, the big man down low, Yves Missi. He's the kind of player that has already become a fan favorite and continues to turn heads. But the best part? Well, he's only a freshman.
Well, you always hope for best case, and we knew he was really talented, and knew he had a chance to be very successful. As far as timetables, especially bigs, it's tough to do that normally later in their career. The better they get, I mean, even in the NBA, probably a big is at their peak later than a guard would be, and he's been a joy to coach, and I know the fans and us enjoy watching him play because he's always good for a Sports Center highlight.
These freshman stars loading for another big-time performance as the squad heads to Brooklyn for the NIT Season Tip-Off, and that battle in the Barclays Center starts with Oregon State on Wednesday, and then the winner of Pitt versus Florida for some Thanksgiving week hoops.